Hi everyone, welcome back to the SME. My name is James. So I finished up the Dodge Viper and it's time to start a new project. And as you saw by the thumbnail, it's the 1/12 Tamiya Porsche 910 kit. It's a huge box, 1/12 scale, and let me show you what's in the box. I told you this kit was big. It's 1/12 scale. As you can see, the 1/24 scale Revell Mercedes is next to it, and it dwarfs it. So the gentleman that I got this kit from, he was actually killed, and his wife donated all of his kits to our club in Cleveland, and I won it in a raffle for $1. So I checked on eBay, and the kit's going for about $200, untouched. But this one, it's got some black paint on the chassis. I was lucky enough to find a replacement on eBay for $4. So I got a new one coming, and so I don't have to bother trying to strip that paint. Let's see what else is in the box. Unfortunately, everything is off the trees. So we got an engine that is glued together and painted a little bit. I broke apart some of the parts that I want to paint a different color to make it a little easier. But everything is here. I checked through the instruction sheet, and everything is in here. It's just a little harder to make a kit when everything's off the trees. But I think I can do a good job with it. The decal sheet is in really good shape. It's still white. I'm pretty happy about that. So I'm going to make the Taki Racing Team livery with it in the last page, actually the front page of the instructions. It's this one. It's even got a little Tamiya decal on the back, so they must have sponsored them. But it's going to be a fun project, and I've got some reference pictures I'll show you right after this video. Take care, and watch for progress on this in about 2 weeks. This weekend I will work on the Mercedes and give you an update on that. Thanks everyone. Talk to you later.